Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz X-Class. Now this vehicle has been customised by Seeker. You'll find all the different add-ons throughout this video. Starting off, we do have the front lower nudge bar. We also have the racing stripes across the bonnet. It also continues on the roof. The diamond silver metallic paintwork. You'll also find the gloss black big Mercedes badge in the centre of the front grille. Round to the passenger side, you can see we have the wide arches on this vehicle, giving it a nice aggressive stance. We do have the 20-inch alloy wheels. Side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. You'll then find the Seeker stripe across the bottom. We do have the colour-coded door mirrors. You have the black door handles, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top, you've got the roof rails. We also have the 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors. Racing stripe continues on the back. We also again have the black Mercedes badge in the centre of the tailgate. Seeker stickers on the right. There's a look inside of the rear bay. Back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And taking a look at the interior, so inside the back you can see we have the leather seats. We do have the fixed ISO points back here. We also have handles just there, making it easier to get in the vehicle. Electric windows on the doors. Now we do have the same leather seats for the front, however both front seats can be heated. And there's a look at both of them. Driver's seat and passenger seat are also electrically adjustable. Electric mirrors, electric windows which are power folding. We also have the automatic lights down there. Multifunctional steering wheel. I'll take a seat inside and you'll find the dashboard in front, also the digital screen. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. You'll find we do have the speedometer and the cruise control on this stalk just here. We also have another button which is just here for the back window, so if you hold that down then you'll find the window will open just there at the back, and we can close it again just like so. You'll then find the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here, you would have seen all on the photos. If we go through them, then you will find we have the buttons just down here, so you can click onto radio, got the radio stations, media options, which is where you find the CD player. We do also have the media interfaces along with the Bluetooth audio as well. We then have the phone connectivity for phone calls. Further down from there, you'll find we have the climate control, got the ice cold air conditioning as well. We do have the automatic gearbox just here. If you put it into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera along with the 360 view on the left. You can also go through each individual camera, and as you can see they all work just as you would expect them to. Back into park just like so, you'll find the manual handbrake down here. We do have the dial for the screen along with the switch for the different drive modes. Got the cup holders just there, and also a armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.